You must have seen figures like this somewhere or the other, right? Maybe in a magazine or in a newspaper. Well, this is called a line graph. It is used to visualize the value of something over time. For example, the line graph here gives the relationship between the weight and the age of a man. As you can see here, when he was just 2 years old, he weighed 10 kgs. But when he was 20 years old, he weighed 70 kgs. Whoa, he grew very healthy. But you see, in order to visualize the relationship between distance and time, we also plot a line graph. You can take any set of values for the distance and time. We will take the set of values that are there in this table. To make a graph, obviously first you are going to need a graph paper. So, take a graph paper and make two perpendicular lines on it, representing the two axes, OY and OX. We will represent time along the x-axis and distance along the y-axis. Now, looking at our values here, we are going to take the scale. On x-axis, we will take 1 centimeter to be as 1 minute. And on y-axis, 1 centimeter will represent 1 kilometer. If you look for the maximum value of time in the table, it's given as 5 minutes. And the maximum value of distance is 5 kilometers. So let's just mark till 6 minutes and 6 kilometers on our x and y axis. Now, let's start plotting the points. The first point is 0 and 0. So that starts from the origin. Next point is 1 minute and 1 kilometer. So, go to your graph, draw a vertical line from 1 minute and then draw a horizontal line from 1 kilometer. And the point of intersection is your first point. Similarly, you can plot the other points for 2 minutes 2 kilometers, 3 minutes 3 kilometers and so on. In the end, when all of your points are plotted, join the points. If you obtain a straight line like this one, that means that your body is moving with constant speed. But if your body has varying speeds, then the line can be of any different shape. So what have we learned today? We have learned about the distance-time graph and also we learned about how to plot the points on a distance-time graph. So until next time, happy learning!